How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, Expert Locksmith. We here. We did a Jaguar X-Type 2004. Now we ready to program the remote. As you can see, the remote doesn't work. We have two keys in here. So how we're gonna do it? First, make sure the door is closed, and you're gonna turn the key from third to fourth position. First, you put it on third position for like 4 seconds or so, and then do it a little bit fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear the click, you take the key out, you press one time the other remote, one time, and that's basically it. If we open the door, close the cycle, and as you can see, and that's basically it. Thank you again, Sam Expert Locksmith, Jaguar remote. Bye bye.